Hi guys, today's video is about this easy purple smoky eye tutorial using the Essence Disney Jasmine Eyeshadow Palette. I also want to show you how you can make your lips look fuller. Some of you have been asking me about that. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials and reviews. And share this video with a friend that likes soft everyday eye looks. I'm gonna start off with this light brown shade from the Nude Edition Eyeshadow Palette by Essence, and this is gonna be my transition color. I'm buffing that out in the crease and I'm taking my time to soften out the edges. This shade has a cool undertone and a matte finish, and I'm going back and forth in the crease. I'm adding some more with the eye blender brush by Essence, and I'm diffusing the shade towards the brow bone and outwards to elongate the eyes. Next, I'm picking up this purple shimmery shade and I'm pressing with my brush on the outer third of my eyelid. This one is like a duochrome magenta shade with a lilac sheen. With the same brush, I'm diffusing the edges a little bit more, and this is the eyeshadow brush by Essence. I'm taking some with my fingertip and I'm tapping that in to make the color pop on my eyelid. This shade is pressed harder in the pan and it's not so easy to pick it up with just a brush. So that's why I'm using my fingertip, and you can do that with any eyeshadows that swatch well but are not easily applied with a brush. I'm taking my brush again and I'm blending the edges furthermore. The secret for amazing smoky eye looks is to blend each layer of eyeshadow before applying more. Then I'm taking this rose gold shimmery shade which looks darker in the pan, but it is not, and with my brush I'm pressing this on the remaining eyelid. This shade has some very fine silver micro glitter and they are very shiny on the eyes. With purple eye looks, it is always the safest way to combine purple and pink together. It is very easy to blend them and create a soft smoky eye look. You can also add some with your fingertip if you want this shade to get even more intense. And moving on to this darker purple shade, this one has a matte finish and I'm diffusing it in the outer part of my crease. I start by applying the shade in the outer crease and then lightly going towards the inner part of the crease. After that, without adding any more product on my brush, I'm going over the edges with back and forth motions. Take your time with this shade because it is darker, and continue blending until it is seamless. I'm changing the brush. This is a smudging brush by Urban Decay, and I'm dipping again in the same shade. This time I'm smudging it in the lower lash line and more specifically in the outer portion of it. I'm trying to keep this color as close as possible to the lashes, and I'm also diffusing some towards the outer eyelid. To build up the intensity, I'm adding some more product and I'm blending lightly the lower lash line. You can see that I'm not even moving my skin. Let's continue with this lilac shimmery shade. I was in between this one and the rose gold shade that I used on the eyelid. I ended up using the lilac shade to make the inner lower lash line more purpley, if that makes any sense. You can also use the rose gold shade. It will match all the shades perfectly. With this palette, I find that you need to swatch the shades to see the actual color of them. And that's the case with this lilac shade too. In the pan it looks darker and on the eyes it is lighter and more silvery. This shade also has some very fine lilac micro glitter. Here we have a dark grey eyeshadow, and with an eyebrow brush by Essence I'm pressing it very close to the lashes. I'm doing this trick every time that I don't want to apply eyeliner, and it is a very easy way to define the eye shape and give a fuller look to your lashes. I added a few layers of this shade to make it pop on my eyes. You can use a black eyeshadow instead of this one, and I'm trying to create small lines with my brush and then I blend the edges. For the waterline, I'm using a purple eye pencil by Zerva Cosmetics. It has a warmer undertone and it goes very well with the purple shades in the waterline. Next, I'm coating my lashes with the Kiko Smart Color Mascara in black. Let me know if you have a favorite mascara that I could try. And with this one, I'm trying to go very close to the roots of the lashes and give definition to them. And then now I'm gonna show you the technique for fuller looking lips. I removed the lip gloss that I had on my lips, and then I'm covering my lip color with my sponge. It has a little bit of foundation on it. With a lip pencil, I'm defining the shape of my lips. I'm using the Color Sensational lip liner in 630 Velvet Beige by Maybelline. I'm starting with the outer corner of the lips and I'm going towards the center of them. I'm also filling in the outer parts of my lips without adding any product on the center. I'm pressing the lips together so I can blend the product, and then I'm adding some more on the lower lip. This lip liner is very soft and easy to blend with your fingertip, like what I'm doing here. Try to not apply any product on the center of the lips. After that, I'm taking a lipstick by Essence. This is the Perfect Shiny Lipstick in the shade 6 Perfect Match. And I'm applying this on top of the lip liner on the lips. If you made any mistakes, it is very easy to clean the edges with just a Q-tip because all the products are very creamy. Following that, I'm taking a very shiny lip gloss and I'm using it on the center of the lips. This is gonna highlight the center and make the lips look fuller. And I'm using the Bloom Baby Bloom lip gloss by Essence in the shade 01 Hibis Kiss. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!